Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix why does my iPhone get hot, iPhone overheating. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Check battery health. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap battery. On the battery page, tap battery health. Read your important battery message. Check your maximum capacity. Check maximum capacity and optimize battery charging. Solution number 2. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 3. Remove unnecessary widget. Remove stuck. Again remove. Solution number 4. Turn on low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap battery. On the battery page, turn on low power mode. Thanks for watching this video.